Far beyond the orbits of the familiar planets, beyond the reach of even our most advanced spacecraft, lies a dark and frozen frontier, a realm of ancient mystery that holds secrets from the birth of our solar system. This is the Oort Cloud, an enigmatic region where time seems to stand still and objects from the dawn of the solar system continue their silent, eternal orbits. Hidden in this frozen expanse are not only remnants of a distant past, but also the potential answers to questions we have only just begun to ask. It is a place of awe and wonder, yet it is also a place where the mysteries of the universe are slowly revealing themselves. The Oort Cloud lies at the very edge of our solar system, where the sun's light is faint and the cold of space is almost unimaginable. Its closest boundary is a staggering 2,000 to 5,000 astronomical units from the Sun, an astronomical unit being the distance between Earth and the Sun. To put that in perspective, Voyager 1, the farthest human-made object from Earth, has traveled about 150 astronomical units, and yet it is still far from this mysterious outer boundary. Stretching even farther, potentially up to 100,000 astronomical units, this vast and shadowy expanse forms a distant sphere surrounding our solar system, like an invisible shield of cosmic dust and ice. But what exactly lies within this shadowy region? The Oort Cloud is populated by billions, perhaps even trillions, of icy objects. These are remnants from the early days of our solar system's formation, and among them, one stands out in particular: the comet. Comets are the frozen relics of our cosmic origins. They carry with them the building blocks that formed not just our planets, but also the essential elements for life itself. These objects are like time capsules, frozen in place, holding the raw materials of the universe in a perfect, untouched state. A comet's nucleus is a dirty snowball, a combination of dust, rock, and volatile ices. When a comet ventures close to the sun, the heat causes the ices to vaporize, and this outgassing creates a glowing halo around the comet, known as the coma. The tail, which can stretch for millions of kilometers, is a stream of particles and gas pushed outward by the solar wind, a brilliant mark of the comet's journey through the solar system. It is in these icy travelers that we find traces of the very material that formed Earth and the other planets. But this is only one part of the comet's journey. Comets, once sent on their journey from the Oort Cloud, can sometimes become fleeting visitors to the inner solar system. They travel across the sky like celestial messengers, their brilliant tails lighting up the night. It's as if the universe itself is telling us a story of our origins, of distant worlds, and of the forces that shaped our existence. These comets may only appear once in a lifetime, but during their brief visits, they leave behind a legacy, showing us not only the materials that made our solar system, but also how dynamic and ever-changing the cosmos truly is. For centuries, comets have captured the imagination of humanity. Ancient cultures, witnessing their rare appearances, often regarded them as omens, harbingers of change, or celestial signs of divine will. The very word comet comes from the Greek word comets, meaning long-haired, describing the glowing tails that were once seen as mysterious symbols of fate. Halley's Comet, perhaps the most famous of all, has been observed for thousands of years, making its return to Earth's skies every 76 years. It's been a part of history, a witness to the rise and fall of empires, and a constant reminder of the vastness of time. Despite their fleeting visits, comets hold profound significance. Their icy cores and dusty tails remind us of the fragility and the potential of life itself. After all, it's believed that some of the materials in comets may have played a role in the origins of life on Earth, bringing with them the ingredients for amino acids, the building blocks of life. As comets travel through space, they scatter the very elements that are essential to the chemistry of life. The fact that these comets have survived for billions of years, frozen and unchanged, makes them the oldest and most important artifacts of our solar system. The Oort Cloud, although invisible to our eyes, is a vital part of the solar system. Though we cannot directly observe this vast region, we can infer its existence from the comets that enter the inner solar system. Scientists believe that the Oort Cloud is not just a single, uniform sphere, but rather a collection of two regions, an inner Oort cloud shaped like a disk and an outer Oort cloud that forms a spherical halo. It is in these regions that comets form, each one a unique relic of the primordial solar system, frozen in time, awaiting the slightest gravitational nudge to set it on its journey toward the sun. But the Oort cloud is not just a passive region filled with frozen remnants of the past. It is, in fact, a gateway to interstellar space. Occasionally, the gravitational influence of nearby stars, or even the gravity of the giant gas planets like Jupiter, will disturb these icy bodies, sending them spiraling out of the Oort cloud and into interstellar space. These are the interstellar objects, visitors from outside the solar system. One such visitor, Oumuamua, passed through our solar system in 2017, leaving scientists astounded by its strange shape and unusual speed. Was it a comet, a fragment from another star system, or something else entirely? As our technology advances, we may one day send spacecraft beyond the inner planets and into the Oort cloud itself to unlock the secrets it holds. The New Horizons probe, after its historic flyby of Pluto, is now venturing into the outer reaches of the solar system. Perhaps one day, our descendants will journey to this distant realm, exploring the icy bodies that linger at the very edge of our cosmic neighborhood. Each mission to the Oort cloud would be like a quest to the distant frontier of our understanding, a bold step into the unknown. Every study of a comet is a step closer to understanding the origins of our solar system. Each fragment of ice and dust holds within it the story of how our sun, our planets, and even life itself came into being. By examining the materials that comets are made of, scientists are uncovering the building blocks of our own existence. They are unraveling the history of the solar system, and in many ways, they are searching for the origins of life itself. The study of the Oort cloud and the comets that come from it is as much a journey of the mind as it is of the body, a search for the answers to the greatest questions about the universe. The Oort cloud is a place of mystery, a place that holds the keys to understanding our past, our future, and our place in the cosmos. It is a testament to the vastness of space, the passage of time, and the fragility of our own existence. Though it remains far beyond our reach, it is not beyond our curiosity. With every comet we observe, with every icy fragment we study, we bring ourselves one step closer to understanding the story of the universe and the part we play in it. The Oort cloud is more than just a distant region of ice and dust. It is a reminder that, in the endless expanse of space, even the smallest objects can have the greatest stories to tell.